Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? I mean, who hasn't, right? Well, today we're going to dig into a business model that promises exactly that, selling digital products online. We're going to deconstruct this program called Earn Online with Lila to see how it suggests you can unlock passive income right from your own home.
This question, it gets right to the heart of it, doesn't it? It's not just about the money. It's about wanting freedom, needing flexibility, and getting some control back in your life. But with so much noise out there, what does a real way to earn online actually look like? Well, let's find out.
You know, for a lot of people, and our source material really highlights stay-at-home or single moms, this search isn't just about finding another job, it's about finding a way to make a living that actually fits into a life that's already packed. That deep, real need for flexibility is what makes the idea of an online business so incredibly appealing.
Okay, so if the problem is this need for a life that fits, what's the solution on the table? According to this program, the answer is the digital product. And the promise here is huge. You can take something you already know, an idea, a skill, and turn it into something you can sell online, not just once, but over and over again.
This concept seems so simple, but it's kind of revolutionary when you stop and think about it. You create something valuable, like an ebook, a planner, a guide. You do that work one time, but you can sell that single asset an unlimited number of times to anyone in the world 24/7. That right there, that's the engine of passive income in this entire model.
All right, so the idea sounds pretty good, but how do you actually start? Where's the on switch? Well, according to this program, you're not just handed a one-size-fits-all plan. Instead, you're presented with two totally different paths to get into the digital sales game. Let's break them down.
So on one side, you have personalized coaching. This is kind of the classic teach you how to fish approach, right? They guide you step by step so you learn all the skills to build your own business from the ground up. Then, on the other side, you've got a PDF subscription. This is more of a here's the fish, already cooked model. It gives you ready-made products so you can start selling almost immediately.
Now, if you pick that first path, the coaching, your journey is laid out in these 5 key sessions. It's a full A to Z roadmap. You start with just brainstorming the idea, then you move into actually creating the product, and then you get to the really crucial business stuff. How do you market it? How do you sell it? And finally, how do you scale it up?
But what if you're thinking, I don't have time to build something from scratch? What if you want to get started, like, today? Well, that leads us to the second path, which is pretty much a business in a box. And to really get how that's even possible, we need to talk about a game-changing idea called master resale rights. So what are master resale rights, or MRR? It's basically a special kind of license. It gives you legal permission to take a product that someone else already made, sell it as if it's your own, and, this is the key part, keep 100% of the money. You literally get to skip the entire product creation part of the process.
I mean, this quote from the source material just says it all, loud and clear. This isn't about getting a small commission or being an affiliate. Nope. This is about you taking full ownership of a ready-to-sell product and keeping all the profit for yourself.
So, whether you're building it from scratch with a coach or launching it instantly with these resale rights, both of these paths are designed to lead you right back to that original goal, building a business that works on your schedule and gives you the freedom you were looking for in the first place.
And right here, this is one of the biggest, boldest claims of the whole model. The number of tech skills you need to get started is 0. A big ol' 0. For anyone who's ever felt intimidated by the idea of building a website or learning code, this is meant to completely remove that fear. It's a huge barrier to entry that they claim just isn't there.
So when you put it all together, what's the big promise here? It's the shot at earning passive income on your own time. It's the ability to start a business almost instantly if you want. It's getting access to a community so you're not going it alone. And it's that powerful assurance that you don't need to be a tech wizard to make it happen.
When you boil it all down, it really comes down to this one simple choice. Do you want to be the architect, learning how to build your digital empire from scratch? Or do you want to be the distributor, taking products that are already made and ready to go from day one?
And that leaves us with a pretty big question to think about. As more and more people are looking for flexible, independent ways to work, could this kind of low-tech, ready-to-go business-in-a-box model be the new blueprint for online entrepreneurship? It's a powerful idea. Thanks for tuning in to think it through with me.